When most people think of Gilgil, they think of a section they see while driving along Nairobi Nakuru Highway, the busy shops, traffic, and the roadside businesses. But what most people do not know is that there is another side of Gilgil that is quieter, more relaxed, and hidden away from the highway. As I travel across Kenya, I've come to realize that most of every town in this country have two sides of the story. There is a popular side that everyone sees, and then there is the laid back side that only locals and frequent visitors get to know. This road here takes us through the lesser known side of Gilgil. Unless you regularly travel to Nyahururu or happen to live around this area, chances are you've never seen this part of Gilgil. It's calm, peaceful, and feels completely different from the busy highway section that most travelers associate with the Gilgil. And before anyone says they've seen all Gilgil, this is only the tip of the iceberg. Gilgil is much bigger town, and many people realize with numerous neighborhood institutions and communities spread far beyond what you see from the highway. One of the things that have shaped Gilgil over the years is the railway line that passes through the town, linking it to the Kenyan historic railway network. The town is also known for its strong military presence, with one of the Kenyan major military garrison located here, the Kenyatta Garrison. In addition, Gilgil hosts one of the country's prominent national youth service training camp, making it an important center for both military and youth training. Politically, Gilgil also stands out. The constituency is represented in parliament by a woman, Martha Wangari, and it's also located in Nakuru County, where both the governor and the senators are women. That is public knowledge. There's something you don't see very often and makes the area very unique in the Kenyan political landscape. As we continue along this route towards Nyahururu, take in the scenery and the slower pace of life. Sometimes some things, the most important part of the towns, are not the places everybody talks about, but the corners that quietly go about their business away from the spotlight. This is the side of Gilgil that many travelers pass without ever knowing exists. And if you have enjoyed this short drive, remember that we have only scratched the surface